Hello, my name's Stuart Paterson, and Scots, my first language, has to have a voice in the modern world, and this is a poem called Stetuaes. Them the maist idle at change are aye-deaved with the biggin o' idols to stone o'er the lave o' whae he's them up by. Maybe fine, mostly no, with the old world we're biding in yet, for a blow. And for what? No for us, but for who ill-got siller maun mind us o' them, lang syne deed, on doon pillars, and no way paid maist for the slave master's fame. So let's build a new world, and no Stetuaes for them, efter pooing doon and pitting in by dods o' stain wearing faces weel fed by the yins, wi' nae names we hae mind it. Haud by wi' your all lives till later. Fae noo to a new world, it's black life that matters. Thank you.